One, two, 1, 2. We're live. Does your strategy work on Forex? No, not on Forex. Only on futures. Stop kicks. Day 8. Yeah. Hopefully we get some good setups today, huh? This week, what was it? Like only on Monday? That we got a legit and good IVB setup. What's up, Sherry? Max? Yeah. But it's okay, you know? Because we're sitting here with healthy accounts. Little, I don't know, I'm on pretty much break even on mine. But yeah. Congrats on the video. I appreciate it. Yes. I've done some trading on my personal account on the side. Well, it's going good. What's up, Luki? Amar, what's up? All right, shall we start? Shall we look? By the way, guys, tomorrow bank holiday, so no stream tomorrow. Okay, so the major news have already been. We had NF, non-farm employment change, average hour rate. Okay. I mean, does it work on futures? Like, I haven't tested it. I don't know. I don't think so, because Fabio was really strictly when he said like on Forex it doesn't work, something like that. I don't know. I'm only trading Nasdaq, so that's where my focus is. Do you always wait for the IVB to set up, or do you take trades before it too? For this challenge, only IVB, but I do take setups before it if I see something good. And usually, when I would do something like that is if we are playing around a daily volume profile level. So say we open up here, comes down to value real low. Yeah, see some absorption, for sure I can try along before IVB. But yeah, my data is purely IVB. And okay, I have data on this as well, but my go-to model is IVB. So yeah. What's up, Viper? What's up, Ami? $230. Mr. Matthias has joined us. Bias down, multiple breakouts. What the hell is up with this? IVB isn't even activated. Okay, now. Sup, Skiller? Hello, Lauri. Option level change or market open? No, they're static. And I did some research. So, okay, I know that we want to get dynamic levels for options, right? But the static is sufficient. It's really good enough. You don't really need a dynamic if you're not gonna trade after like 2 hours after or market open. But the levels that we get now in the beginning, those are the strongest one. First 30 minutes to 2 hours, something like this. Oppa, we are actually opening up below our value real low. And that VWAP. Let me just see if I can. Okay, we can try look at something on the pre-market profile. We have delta levels here. On the other hand, we got POC from Was it 1, 2, 3 days ago? It touched it to the tick. Let's see. Okay, let me remove this. Saw your video. Nice. I've been thinking, by the way, I'll start trading live. I can prop. It's just stupid. Yeah. If you are ready, discipline. Like, I'm gonna be honest with you. You don't have to. This is the thing with trading. You don't have to become Fabio level type of performer on trading. You just you need one good model that statistically is profitable long term, of course. You have to be just disciplined. One model and discipline. I'm telling you guys. And then if you go personal account, by all means. But yeah, if you have that checked, go do your thing. What's up, Benny? Pav, I have a crazy lore regarding yesterday. Okay. Hello, bro. Hello, man. Hello, Ishti. What's up, Banga? Let me hear. What kind of lore? What the hell? This guy is sharing his book map online. What? Can't we get like banned for this? Okay. If we go above HVL OTDT, let me see. ODT. Okay, where are we right now? Aha, okay, you're looking at this. Let me just check the app. I want to see what type of gamma do we have in that area. Yeah, positive. Okay, positive gamma at that. Well, I hope we go lower. We shift the lower, right? In value. And if we accept lower, we enter negative gamma level, negative gamma zone. And we got some like low volume areas in this. You see? So maybe if we fall lower, yeah, I think that would be really good. But yeah, who knows? We do what we get. But if we trade above the HVL, yeah, maybe we get choppy because we have balance area right above us. No absorption at all as well. It's long. Let me tap. Okay. How's your nephew? You mean for the chess? Yeah. I haven't seen him yet, but when I see him, it's. Oh shit. When I see him, yeah, we will see. Pav, government want me to use their compliant broker, which lead charge more income than my stop. What the hell? I like a Ninja Trader. I've been trading my personal account on that one. Commission is low. And they also have a volume, but I'm not plotting on it. I'm just executing on it. But yeah, they have volume. They have everything. They're actually like fixed quite a bit of stuff. They were not that heavy. From what I remember on like volume profiles and stuff like that. But now they're pretty good. Yeah, hold. We don't have a gap today, so we can turn off price. Just look at the value, see how it builds. What a reaction. Oppa. No worries, I got people in money launch. Okay. What's up, Kairos? What mark is this? Nasdaq. Yeah. I'm looking for shorts at daily value high. Okay. Interesting. We're gonna get the rotation back up at least to POC. What do you guys think? I like how it behaved here. I can ask you which option level is static and which is dynamic. They're all dynamic, but they are calculated by end of the day, right? From yesterday. They're all dynamic technically. Maybe HVL, I'm not 100% sure. Because as soon as we get the dynamic, I don't know exactly when we're gonna get the dynamic levels as well. I gotta find something that allows it, like, so we can buy it for the TN members, TN option members. I gotta call. Okay, yeah. By the way, TN option is not available anymore, so you guys know. Yeah, last day, like I said, was last day. Yesterday was last day. But you will do really good with only the static levels. That's what I'm trying to say. It's the most strongest levels at the opening, right? But if you trade, I don't know how long you guys trade, but I, for example, trade 1.5 hours, and those levels are more than enough. It's like literally, I don't need anything more. If I trade 1.5 hours, if I trade maybe 5-6 hours, then yeah, then I think you need dynamic levels. Hi, Paul. Stupid out the crap. All good, brother. What's up? What's up, Sleep Chief? Pav, so I went to this party yesterday, right? And I was swimming. It was a swimming pool party thing. And guess who I saw? My ex-dad. And we have this culture of not being allowed to date, right? And he don't know me. So I shaked his hand and sat beside him. And I was blushing. Then I went to go get up. Get some food. He stared at me till I sat down. Then we went swimming, and then he complimented that I had a good physique. I was so happy for him. Little does he know, his daughter left me for a skinny 5'6" game. Hey, yo. So shit. Banga, how tall are you, by the way? 6'2", something like this. Not 190 centimeters, something like this. You have a good physique. Come on, brother. And you're also trading. Long term, I think you will do all right, okay? London is love. London's been great, what? Right? Yeah, look at this. We get some moves. Yeah, it's definitely not respecting the big trades as of now. So just waiting. I'm almost 6'4", bro, and with shoes. There you go. You're tall. He said you had a good physique. You would potentially learn to make a lot of money using with this industry. It's a skill that you learn. Hey, from my view, I think you're gonna be all right. Her loss for real. Banga don't listen to women, just charts. They don't speak. Yo, yo, yo. We had what was it? A Skiller as well, bro. He's like, yo, guys, do you guys don't like women? What's up with you guys? Holy shit. They don't talk. It's better. Oh shit. Nah, you guys are crazy. Oh shit. They are good women, guys. They are good women. Have hope. They are. You just gotta find them. I'm kidding. How can we take your template for Nasdaq? In Discord. Look in learning archives. You will find it. I have a post there. Thank you, Pav. It was so crazy yesterday. You got this, man. Don't wanna flex, but it's like one day of London is 2 weeks trading New York session. Listen and learn. It's always the dish. Oh my dude. Yeah, okay, guys. I'm gonna stop reading the chat now. I'm giving a timeout to the chat, so I don't get. For fuck's sake. Yo. All right, 50 minutes, then we got IVB. Guys, we are dancing between two pucks. And the volume is... Oh my god, what is this, man? We have had this type of price behavior for more than 3 weeks now. The only time it was good price behavior was on Monday. And we made money on that day. But Nasdaq is really testing your patience. It really is. Good acceptance. If we accept above, we have a level at 30,243, and then we have a wall at 30,328. Okay, interesting. Wouldn't you want to merge them? No, it's totally, they're not that close. No. And it's good. The thing is, it's only a high volume node, guys. So think of it like this: we are just bouncing between high volume nodes. And we have the biggest levels. So where the most volume was. Tomorrow it's bank holiday. Yeah. What you guys gonna do tomorrow? Are you guys gonna trade tomorrow? I'm not gonna stream nor trade tomorrow. I'm actually gonna go and experience life a little. I've been working too much the past months. Tomorrow I plan on going out, doing some stuff. 1 to 10 to short in the 160, but it moves too fast. Okay. All day? You're gonna trade all day? I'm going to full put Trump post on X. Okay. I like this. I like this. We have. Oh, shit. I'm going to counter protest. Oh my god. Hey, I swear. I swear, guy. You guys are great. Hey, Pavlovic, I hope you're doing well and fine. What's up, doctor? I'm all good, man. How are you? Hope all is well. Just dancing. Tomorrow. Oh yeah, what do I got a video to make tomorrow. Guys, anything you guys want me to cover. So I'm doing this video series where I do like 2 to 3 minutes straight to the point, how to use it, how to do it, what to do, and so on. Like maybe you saw my video yesterday. Like it's straight to point, 3 minutes. I'm not gonna waste you guys time. So if there's anything you guys want me to cover, I put out in Discord like the stuff I'm gonna cover, but you can let me know if there's something extra. Like this one, how to read code report. I got this question quite a lot. I'm gonna do it super simple. You look at non-commercials for Nasdaq, for example, ES and all of that. How to daily volume profile, how to get daily. Okay. Yeah, there's a lot. Is OTD level also gonna be in T option pub? It's not end of day level, right? So it needs constant updating. Wait 1 second. Is OTD? Yes, it is. It is. One second. The expiry on this, I don't recall what they expire, but from my understanding, it's for today, right? The ones from yesterday, because on the end of that day, that's when we get those levels. If I'm not mistaken, that's how we get them. Yesterday, on the end of today, we get the OTD levels for today. But they are developing, of course, but after 2 hours, that's when they like decay in strength. You guys listen to Freddy. I think you guys listen to Freddy. He explained this. Unfortunately, the videos are not available anymore. Don't ask me why. I don't know. I'm not the guy behind the channel that shared it, but yeah. Wow, how to read code reports with the website. How you use big trades and what are your model and risk management in YouTube video? Okay. When I wrote that, he said it. What's your bias for today? Bearish. But we are dancing between two high volume nodes, so nothing. Technically, we are just balanced on a larger scale. We will see. Are you familiar with IVB model types? I heard they are more like sweep IVB model. Do you know what is it anti-IVB model then? sweep IVB model. That you're just fading anti the IVBs. Instead of going breakout, you go range. If I think that's what you mean with sweep IVB. Could you cover parse institutional derivatives flow and MMM exposure metrics? Okay. Something we're gonna cover. I'm gonna get a guy for this. I'm gonna look see if Jack can do it. Having a lecture for options, but this guy is super busy. He's building like algos or whatever for hedge funds and stuff. But yeah, let's see. What we have right now is though it's enough. What are your thoughts of using kill zone 50 mean divergent against ES as entry areas? Kill zone 50 mean divergence. Kill zone. What do you mean? Are you talking about 50 mean divergence against ES as entry? Do you mean SMT like from ICT? Or it's not ICT, but you know what I mean. Isn't that what you're trying to do? So you're just gonna copy. Wait, what was you said? Cover parse institution derivative flow and okay. So you mean like delta? You wanna watch the delta? Like if we are delta 0, because they have to hedge. We know if they amplify it. Yeah, but that data, I don't know where we can get the hands on that. It's not so hard, right? It's just you look at, for example, it's one of the Greek metrics. It's called, if I recall it, gamma 0 or delta 0, something like this. I think you guys know about it. They want to be 0, right? So they are always, in simple terms, in pace with the price. But that shit sounds crazy if you can get like your hands on that. That stuff is easy. The other ones, I'm not that knowledgeable in the other stuff. Like theta. What more was it? We got gamma, theta. What are the metrics? I got like 5. Delta, theta, gamma, vega, and rho. I don't know how you say. But the thing is, Killer, you only need delta for now. And that data, I don't know how we get it. The rest, it's not so necessary. We just want to see how they're hedging, right? Know if they're amplifying or they have to bromsa in. I don't know how you say it in English. Put a little on the brakes and stuff. What's up, Rio? Liquidity sweep of session high or lows here. Aha, okay, you mean yeah, SMT. Fabio talked about that. He's actually said it was efficient in like 2023, something like that. 2022, 2023. Tom Hougaard also talked about it. I've seen it play out. So yeah, but do your backtesting, of course. No, Banga just profile and bigger. Okay, so Banga. Is your charge set for first 50 min right now? 30 minutes for IVB, if that's what you meant. What an awkward position to take a long, man. Yeah. We touched value area. We touched POC from 3 days ago. The high volume node, and we got the rejection. We're above VWAP. I don't like this at all. We have value area high from yesterday. We have a high volume node right above as well. Like it's... Ugh. Yes, IVB. Yeah, 30 minutes. I use it, but I was wondering if it would be viable to use it and Deepchart for entry. Try it. I think it can work good. We have gamma wall above. Yeah. So we have quite a bit of stuff to go long into. Value area high, high volume node, gamma wall. Yeah, we got really many stuff. Look at the reaction at the GEX5. Some would say invisible area, right? Out of nowhere we react in that area. I took longs all the way from the bottom. Nice, Ryu. What do you think about IVB sweep model though? Did you try it? Like basically going against IVB? I'm connected with our... I'm in contact with a guy over 100k in payouts and he's trading it basically. Yeah, it's played out quite often these 3 weeks. It has. But my rule is if I don't really have data on it, I'm not gonna click. Like I'm not gonna enter on it. But definitely anti-IVB has been playing out. I know it for a fact because I was testing the algo model and it works. Low volume today. What's the sweep model? It basically means if we fading anti-IVB, it's anti-IVB. We go against IVB. Yeah, the 63 contract below had high CVD divergence. Could have been a good long. Low volume. And we got IVB in 2 minutes. This what we have now is an asymmetric IVB opportunity because we're right now in yesterday's value area high. We have shifted lower on the daily volume profile, so we are bearish in that context. But it may just be a retracement, of course, we don't know. And I really don't like the volume. It's like... Yeah, that makes sense. Not trading without the data. What you're saying on maybe trying it out, like little backtest session after this IVB challenge, I really would like to see you approaching it. You guys want to see me do anti-IVB? Okay, but I do it 1 year of data and I do 5 days in a row. If you can keep up. My best tip would be to sit with me on the backtesting, like last time. Can be interesting to try it out. It won't be good last year, definitely not, because we had quite momentum trending market that year. But this year, I think it will be performing really good. Anti-IVB today. Okay, going to wait for the break of yesterday's value high before I do anything. I like his sleep. I've been watching Fabio paid for his mentorship as well, and I watched him trade live. Did anyone notice how much money he lost in Q2? I watched every single one of his live. I don't know, but it doesn't matter, right, Roberto? It doesn't really matter if he lost money. Long term, always look long term. Okay, if he has a bad period for like 1 month, okay, but if you look long term, he's making money. That's the most important. I am in. Okay, good morning. What's up, Arthur? All good, man. Yes, and view absorption, please. View up absorption. I think we can do some algo trading on that one. On view up absorption. What's up, JC? I'm good, brother. How are you? Banga on a trade live someday. London Power need to set up on the Discord first. Power can join. 2 I open at 3. Yeah, if anybody wants to trade live on London session in Discord, by all means. I can even set it up for you to so it becomes streamed on YouTube. But yeah, by all means, go ahead. I can fix it for you. Do you trade only IVB? For this challenge, yeah. It's the last day of the challenge. I'm still gonna continue doing it in like only trading IVB, but I'm gonna be more aggressive next week. Maybe it would be good to come if you know during trend market take basics IVB any ranger price most are key that you're just sticking to it. Yeah. I believe Rio was supposed to do this trading on London, if I'm not mistaken. View up absorption has a lot of research papers. Send them my way. We wanna do some backtesting on that. By the way, the model show yesterday would have long since stopping 30,130. Oh, but guys, we have one of the TN Algo developers in the chat, Matthias. So he has built an algo, a model that goes that uses QQQ levels, and it's profitable. It actually is. Matthias, I like the results. It's definitely profitable. The win rate wasn't the highest, but you make money in the end. So that's the most important, right? And the expectancy was bello. It was really good. That's true, but I just got a little concerned because then I saw a lot of controversy about how the copyright is dubious and not something people should pay attention to. Okay, yeah, Roberto. Roberto, see it like this, okay? If the guy can, he's showed it quite often that he can do it live, okay? If a person can do something live, you don't doubt. No chance. If he only talked, you know, like these 99% of these gurus, furus, or whatever they are, they just show, look at my payout. I took this behind the screen, like, and they are cherry picking trades, like, okay, they show only the ones they win. And that's definitely Fugazi. But if he's doing it live in front of you, this is why Fabio was the first guy I ever paid to get mentorship from, because he did it in front of me, and it was like, okay, shit. And he's passionate about it. Keep that in mind. If the guy is passionate about it, then you know he's put a lot of time. But it's good that you are critical thinking. This is good. Keep it up. Do you know of Fabio's prof? No, I don't. There, I want to do it, but I'm too lazy and sleeping. Okay. Yeah, we can do some London session trading if you guys want, but yeah. Sherry, maybe you want to do it. Other than quote, do you also monitor macro pub like capital rotation? No. Nope. Less is more in my books. I'm doing scalping. I don't need to look so much macro. Macro is on bigger scale, right? Quote report is also on bigger scale, but it's good. I've seen like value of using it for scalping. Not really scalping, but you know, narrative. Yeah. Yeah. If something is working, guys, don't fix. I'm not here to hate. I'm just basically I spent a lot of money and time on Fabio. Have you been getting results with his? Yes. Don't be. Yeah, it's fine. It's good. You're critical thinking. This is fine. Yes. I have been getting results. I'm sharing it every day for you in front of everyone on YouTube. There's nothing I'm like not sharing. You see everything I'm doing. If you see that I'm maybe winning more than losing, I'm okay. Obviously, I'm disciplined and all of that, but it is the results are all there. Don't worry. Put in your time. It's a working framework because you just use this logic. Volume is the price is the result of volume. If you study volume, you can anticipate what price does, right? So don't worry. And Fabio stuff is purely a volume. It's volume focused. And now options, of course, it's something new he's added. I don't know if it's new for him, but yeah, you know. I use Ninja. Okay, can you put the study in the Discord, please? You guys meant for Banga's VWAP research? I am food. Nah, JC, you're a real one. Guys, have you seen JC's payout, guy? Nice. I would try to find time, but I just 2 days. So okay. Does Fabio mentorship have the same knowledge he gives on YouTube or some special sauce? No. I'm gonna be honest, no. What he shows you on YouTube, what I'm showing you guys, what I'm showing on Bootcamp, like, guys, yeah, there's no secret. So you have all the tools. You just need to do one thing. Sit your ass down, do some back testing, figure out something you want to use, get good at it. That's it. And then just spam it. Hi Pavlovic, you took a trade? Nope. Just waiting, and I don't like the volume. It's terrible. IVB also is failing again. In value area high, we failed again. Oh shit. Maybe I might look for a sell. But I don't see any absorption at the top. Can you explain the indicator on your chart? Which one? We got VWAP. We got big trades. I think you mean big trades. It's just aggressive orders that are... They are aggressive market orders. Big players entering the market. Option flow is okay, but volume profile is the best. Ooh, okay, Riley, I might disagree. You know why? Because options is what actually moves the market. You know, because damn, Freddy had a whole 4-hour session, a total of 4-hour session about this. But yeah, volume profile is definitely, I agree with you there, but it's definitely important. But options is a whole different beast. I recently learned about it, picked it up. Yeah, wow, what a pathetic week, man. Not a single IVB breakout has been working. Yeah, the VWAP one, serious. I don't dare to chill. I feel uncomfortable. Live trading is not easy. I'm gonna be honest. It's okay. Let me be honest with you. Is it easy? Okay, no. You gotta focus on chat. You gotta focus on trading. You gotta focus on stream. Like it's 3 stuff at the same time. Is it easy to lose in front of people? No. Is it easy to win in front of people? Yeah. But after a while, No, you don't even pay attention. I can lose 10 trades in a row here. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. But I get what you mean, JC. I felt that in the beginning as well. I was like, damn, this is super weird, man. I got like, okay, in the beginning I had 30 people. I was like, 30 people watching me. What the hell? But I get you. Okay. Hey, Pablo, make more IG content, please. I love your thing. We'll do. I got like 20 videos coming up soon. Banga. Okay, that's for Banga. Pablo, how do I find research paper? Google Scholar, SSR. What is that article? Hey, wait, what's it called? What another one I think was, but search on Google. That's it. Search scientific research paper. You will find. Does Freddy make content on YouTube or he is? Oh, I don't know. No idea. How you cope? People asking you questions. I have a trick. Since I'm not looking for a setup right now, then I have the chat up. But have you? Sometimes sometimes when I focus, yeah, then you. I don't look at the chart then, or like at the chat. But coping, answering people's questions, yeah, it can be sometimes a little bit too much. But I understand where people come from. They have questions. And they are maybe, yeah, they want answer for somebody that has done their journey. So I know that they just want help. I guess that's how I cope with it. Took the shot. Nice sleep, Chief. Should I start stream? Bro, you will get banned, bro. You, Skiller, if you... My guy would get banned the first 2 days he's streaming. He would be saying some crazy stuff. Damn, 20? I wasn't expecting that number. No, I got 2 sides of paper with everything I'm gonna create. They like your broken English, Pop. You know, I heard a friend of mine told me, like, I think people like because many people that are in this industry, they have flawless English and they sound like a robot. They have a script like manus. I don't know how you say it, but yeah, and it's hard to resonate with a person that is talking like that. For example, I've seen some videos and they talk like a robot, really like a robot, and it's hard to like believe it in a sense. But I think maybe because I'm freestyling my way, everything I'm doing is just purely organic. How you say it? It's raw in a sense. Maybe that's why people like it. I literally can't, because when I see my trades idea, people don't get it, and some even start rude questions. Yeah. Happens. You sound Swedish. Might be Swedish. Pav, imagine some people have 40k live watching per trade, risk 5k USD. Yeah. Well then... that's also why it's important to have a strong community, right? If you build a community based on lies and shit, and if I start losing, people will shit talk me. But if you look at it, when I lose, I don't see a single comment saying you're dog shit, you're shit, you're bad, you're rah, da, 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 da. Okay, we got one guy. He was a random one that came in once. So we're all in this together, right? And I think if people still want me to do this, they're gonna come with positive energy, not some negative stuff. I'm about to sleep now. Have a good time for it. It's night time for me. All right, take care, Visel. He makes, but in Spanish. Oh, he does. There you go. Go in on his YouTube if Freddy makes videos. I'm gonna check it out as well. We used to make fun of him for the broken English. Good time. Yeah, you remember, huh? Oi, oi, oi. Trying to get my point across with a broken English is one of, like, it was easier to pursue a master's degree in computer and system science. Manos, would you like me to write a paper? Yeah, yes, for sure, Matthias. This will be lovely, and we can publish it on the website. You know, I like this a lot. And not Fabio talks all over the place, I swear. It's not broken English, it's Swedish English. Svengelska. Look at the retest, guys. Oh my god, I don't like this at all. Anybody trading this? At this point, I don't even know what I'm watching. Like, literally. Okay, I might be interested here. So, idea. We rejected value area high and IVB. Buyer stepped in here, trying to push it higher. They're failing. If we accept below here, I can maybe try a short. Oh, okay, it went too fast. Maybe I can jump in, let's see. Or wait, now that I look at it, we're right at POC from yesterday. And let me guess, we're in... Yeah. That was one opportunity, but... we missed it. Not a single IVB. Only one. Okay. Yeah, they had ChatGPT give them the script. Maybe do it, Matthias. We can check it. Deep trades 60. Oh, Pav, by the way, I have an exam on Tuesday next week, and if I pass, I can go to Australia, then work there, so I can finally buy a prop from account. What the hell? Okay. Nice, manga. We all shit. Pav, we can't trade when we become big fish slippage on hybrids. Nah, we're all just here to get better. Yeah. You do get the random ICT guys who come and say that you're trading the fair value gap wrong, lol. Do you guys remember that guy that came in? I wanted to clip it, but I couldn't find it. So one guy came in and said, like, he told me, it's a fair value gap there. You can't go long. I was like, okay, but we have absorption right below us. And he's like, you will see. So the community, I think many people went long because we all share the same idea. And we won the trade. The guy just left. He just left. He's like, okay, fuck. He didn't even say anything. Yeah, we're positive. I'm going all in with you. Nice, nice, nice. You know, recently there's so-called World Cup trading competition held in Malaysia recently, which is no idea how is that. Trading competition. Think about shorts. Got it. I'll do it. Nice. Okay, yeah, take your time, Matthias. I'm gonna update it. I'm gonna launch the TN Edge app by as soon as we get that data as well. And then your algo model. IVB algo model, Matthias algo model. We're gonna create something with Fez maybe algo model, the RTH gap fill. And let's also test out 50 mean IVB model. I want to see how good it is. I think it's good. I think it's better for prop firms because it's like short term. And the stats are good on it as well. Matteo has to confirm this. Matteo Conte. How many days you can trade IVB in a week? Is it worth to have another model to trade with because of the lack of trading days? On a good week, you can have 3. On a bad week, you can have 1, like we had on Monday. Is it worth? Like, it depends. I would say no. Because now we're thinking in terms of I have to make money every week. And if we start thinking like that, then we're gonna lose money. But I get what you mean. Like having one model extra that is, I think maybe anti-IVB. IVB and anti-IVB. There you go. 2 models, same approach, but one is fading the other. Maybe. VWAP is good. Nice. I traded 50 million orb and it was nice, but it doesn't work anymore for 2 months. I swear. Fabio, if I send you experience some data, can you call my Banga VWAP model? Okay, if it's profitable and good, yeah, sure. You can trade nice reverse of the IVB, yeah. But I'm gonna, instead of doing something like that, I'm gonna start to become better at trading option levels. I can't call my model because it has a lot of discretionary entries. Yeah, that's also another thing. Maybe we have IVB to the bottom. Took a short, aiming for 30,000. Okay. How to find out IVB versus? Wait, how? Wait, what? Danuka? How raw find out IVB versus anti-IVB? How to find out? Wait, what do you want to find out? Like the stats? We're gonna do backtesting. I think we're gonna do the anti-IVB as a. So we're gonna do a backtesting session a week. One thing I want you guys to keep in mind. Some people did the IVB model that I did backtesting on the same date as well, but they didn't manage to get it profitable. So it doesn't matter if you have a profitable model. I give you guys a profitable model. It doesn't matter. You have to trade it on your own. You have to backtest it on your own. Okay? So even when we do the backtesting, do it on your own as well. Explain the anti-IVB, please. Instead of going long on the breakout to the top, maybe here, we go short. So instead of doing this, you do this. But of course, you gotta see something here, like absorption and so on. I looked for an opportunity here, but I was a little too slow. And I missed it. It just went. That's the how you say it. That's one of the bad stuff with streaming. You miss out opportunities. Because I have to swap over to the chart. I'm looking at the chat now on Streamlabs. VWAP absorption, nice. Break in. And for testing on your own, it really practice your eye and memory. Exactly. I like it. Yeah. Okay, are we gonna get something like this? Or are we gonna get an anti-IVB again at the bottom? Oh, and I'm not gonna say too much, but a guy contacted me. And they want me to come and live trade and stream at their channel. Like with their channel, I guess. Maybe 2 times a week or something like this. And it's a channel that everybody here has watched. I'm saying now, everybody has watched a YouTube video from this channel. Everyone. Nobody has missed it. You gotta go dual computer. When I move, then yeah, I'm gonna Riz. It's part of that that ecosystem, guys. Yes. Chart fanatics. Yeah. But I'm not gonna say too much because they have a channel called Chart Fanatics Live. Well, it's nothing decided yet. He just contacted me and said, "Yo, come over, maybe." And then I was like, "For sure. Why not? It can be fun. Chart for night. Oh, you become Hey, even if we get more people in here, I remember my OGs. Don't think I'm gonna forget. But let's see. We gotta see how it's going. So maybe 1 or 2 times a week, something like this. They want. He talked about like, yeah, they're looking for some people, some streamers that are doing this for real and legit, and I guess they like me, what I'm putting out. Who would have thought, huh? Your broken English guy would might end up on the big screens. How the hell is that gonna go? You need to do your oh shit, JC, diligence, because many random people. Yeah. Little Rizzy, for real? Yes. Shout me out, Pav. Happy for you. Yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Now it's gonna be fun. Like I'm just doing it for the funds. Like everything I'm doing here is also for fun. Literally, it's my passion. If I get this opportunity, I can take. Pav, I wanna trade live with you. What about short now? If the bar stop shorting for value, really low or low? I don't like it. It was in the middle. Your favorite Linus tech tips. Your favorite Indian. Whoa, Paul will forget. No chance. I remember the names. Guys, we got IVB breakout now to the bottom, maybe. I like it. We're also in negative gamma zone. Whoa. For the guys that have TN options, do you see the level to the downside? You have a lot of room here. And we're falling. Nice. No way, that's amazing. Bro will forget it as soon as he sits on Fabio's chair. It's not on Riz. They have, okay, it's just stream right like now. It's just a stream. I'm gonna still be here and stream and all of that, but it's gonna be with their channel. And who knows, maybe in the future they maybe take on this broken English guy. That would be crazy. Yeah. Pause option level is static when they are changing. End of the day, but yeah. They are the strongest now, Luki. You don't need the dynamic ones as of now. The ones that we have right now is the strongest. Baby's watching heat. Good breakout. Bro, I hesitate to take this trade, not to regret it so much. Don't regret. We have another opportunities always. We also broke QQQ demands. I took the short but sold now, expecting a retest of some kind. Hopefully it doesn't keep running low. Nice, bro. Nice. Sleep cheap. I'm gonna, even if we touch protection level, I'm looking at something else. I'm looking at the option level at the bottom. We have a put support at the bottom. And yeah, I'm looking. Okay, let's see if we get the retest. So let's see if we get the retest back up here in IVB. Thanks, Pap. All good. Nothing for me to. I'm super drained. Take early weekend. Take early weekend. Where's the puts level? It's down 29,753. So it's somewhere here. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna shoot 2 attempts. Option levels, I need to research that. It probably also costs a lot of money to get access to it. It was given free in the TM membership yesterday, my friend. But I had it up for 1 month, so I really give everyone opportunity to get it. But it does cost a lot. Why my data have delay now and not in the range? Oh my, yeah, Matthias, this. Matthias, what prop firm are you with? Okay, it's gonna take a while. Yeah. Okay. Okay, now on the IVB breakout, I like to see some absorption. Do you expect? That's what I'm looking for. I'm gonna look at it. Lucid, Matthias, you with Lucid and you have issues. Wait. Really good. Okay. Buyers stepping in aggressively. If they fail, I want to look at the retest and flip. Okay, look at the test. Up, 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 up. See if it flips. Give it a better test, man. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay, now let's see if they flip it. It's gonna be my first opportunity. Okay, let me try it. Stop loss above. I didn't risk properly. Let me fix it. One to one, break even, and just trailing it aggressively. Just gonna trail it. I'm securing my 1 to 2. That's my money. I'm not giving that back. Okay. Taking out more. Thank you very much. Plus 500. Nice. Okay, on to next trade. I'm in short. Well done. Nice, bro. Nice. We took the same trade and exit the same path. Connected, huh? We sit together, right? We grind together. Eventually, we will trade together. Like, it's same ideas. I'm still interested in this, but I don't like how the sellers lost at the bottom. And we have week on week, right? But I want to see if we accept below here, I might look for another entry and risk my profits. Okay, patient, patient, patient. Why I'm saying patient? Because we are in weeks. We have a lot of weeks here, right? Week on week means absorption. So it can be something like this. It wicks and goes up again, right? So what I would like to see is a closure below and then come up, retest, flip it, and then go short. That's my second opportunity. If it goes, it goes. First time watching your stream. Nice. Pav took the same trade. It was an amazing day today. Well done, brother. Got the exact same trade. Let's go down. Opa. Wait, I like it. Sellers entering aggressively, but they're not getting paid on it. Okay, we look at the test. I want to see how it behaves here. Okay, we're testing it. Pushing up. Yuck. Can you please show? Yeah. There you go. I should have entered 6 contracts up here, but I realized in the end, like, okay, I have to enter another 3 contracts to become 200 risk. So it evens out to something like this. Yeah, and stop loss is always like that. Something like this. 2 to 1. And 1 to 2. Now we're accepting back up. I'm gonna go Pav down for the day. Nice, brother. See you. Take care. I will send you some research soon, but I don't have research back, but I can send. Okay, yeah, for sure. I took the same trade. It's my first trade in prop firm. Bello. Nice, Max. WGG's initially shit this session. It redeemed itself. Yeah, and that's why it's important. We didn't dance in and out here, right? Because as soon as we got this opportunity, we seized it. We took the money, and old Pablo would have danced in between here. Unprofitable, really. But now, yeah, just wait. It's nothing more than that. Take it. You're done for the day, and we end up the week green. Every IVB fail, revisit the other IVB, crazy potential. Wait, that's actually good insight, Ricky. I like it. I'm gonna do some back testing on that. Like, I'm gonna do some algo statistical testing on it. I wanna see how often that happens. Done for the day, Pav. Almost break even for the day. Nice, Nanuka. How much have you payouts or withdraw since you started trading? Be honest. $475 was my first ever payout. I've taken like $200 payout. I've taken $800 payout in March, something like that. I've taken quite a bit of like small payouts, like $50, $70. You know, when you take out the risk that you bought in on. I don't know what to add it up, but you can maybe put $300 total on that. And then yesterday I withdrew from personal account 1.8k, my biggest ever. And then I also have on another prop firm account on Top Step, swing type of trading. I can soon request a really big one, but I'm not trading on it. I'm taking a pause from it. There you have honesty. So I'm not making millions, okay? But I'm taking it payout slowly. Do you think it could potentially go lower for the low volume note on the 20 session? Yeah, I think we're gonna go lower, but I don't know. I don't know, because it's chopping right now, right? But what we have, if you think about it, it's a B shape. We're starting to build it. Somehow I fumbled that trade and walked out with 70 risking one. Oh shit. Okay, it happens, Benny. It happens. Took the same trade. Let's go, Pav. Bro, I recently took a payout of 60 USD. Well done. Well done, man. In my eyes, it doesn't matter. It meant you paid for the risk. What was it? $60 to get the, okay, technically after activation it's 120, something like this maybe. But you have taken out money. So it's something. Be proud of yourself. Thank you for what you're doing, what you share. It's really rare for people with good minds, like you said. Thank you for very much, and keep going. For sure, guys. We're gonna do this. We do this together, right? Look at the seller stepping in. I don't know what we're gonna do here, but if we're gonna start consolidating, then I might as well just kill the stream and go do something else. Yeah, we're failing at the bottom. What is this? But wait, sellers are stepping in. If they accept lower here, I can jump in with small contract size. Let's try it. I can go break even here. See if we squeeze it. There you go. Just trailing it, securing another 100 bucks. Thank you. Okay, I think that's good enough for today on this account because we don't want to break. What is it called? Consistency rule, right? Slow is good because slow is sustainable. Correct. Too bad Sweden is expensive. Pav, I blew my live account lol in 3 days after building it for 3 months. Oof. This can be really hard, but you got this. Just looking. Just join. How did you do today? 2 winning trades today. We took only 2 trades. See if I can jump in on the wave before we touch. We have the level I'm looking for that is problematic for us. Sellers are really stepping in. Look at the delta. Oppa. Buyers. If we accept lower, these buyers have to cover themselves. And I would like to jump in. See on the retest. See if they come up and test it. Okay, test. Look at the behavior. Oi, 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 accepting back up. Nothing. Patience. Oi, oi, oi. You see how patience is bello. Okay, that actually made sure I didn't take a stop, but if it accepts lower. If it accepts higher from here, then that's it, guys. Damn, everyone won today, huh? Yeah, I forgot. Matthias, you forgot your consistent. I'm trading at Forex, profit, because it's the BS. 200 to profit, the rest go break even. Bello, you are looking at put support. I know you. Right below, man. Come on. Yeah, exactly, Matthias. You guys read me, huh? Expensive zone. First time profit on evaluation. I'm done today. I'm done. How much cost big trades on Atlas, which is lowest profit? I think Ninja Trader is quite good for order flow now. Matthias, I'm eyeing that level. I would like to maybe look for push lower, but I'm de-risking. And I don't like how they buy it up in a second. Patience. Save me again a stop loss. If we accept higher here. Okay, we got a low volume node here. Out of under 80 with call, paid monthly. I like, but only to watch now. I don't want to go too far with the consistency. Yeah, good call, good call. This is the thing. This is what I don't like with prop firms. We have to stop trading because of consistency. Like, come on, man. What is this? Now that I think of it, people did the challenge with me. I want to see, because we said 2 weeks, I want to see the performance of everyone. There was no good weeks. But yeah. Look at the test of the low volume node. Okay, I'm de-risking. I'm doing 1 micro on this one. Wanna see how it behaves here. Are we gonna go lower? Let me jump in. Let me risk 37. Yeah, I'm gonna just risk this. This is fine for me. If we accept below, I go break even. There you go. We have put support level right below, okay? So let me trail it, secure 50 bucks at least. We touch it. Thank you. That's it. 3 trades, that's more than enough for me today as well. And we touch protection level. Yeah, I'm done. Okay, nice. Remove all of that. Close this. And I'm done. I love it how put support is confirmed by the heat map. Nice, nice. Yeah, the consumer is pretty dumb. It is. It's stupid. Guys, look at the reaction. We touch put level. Look at the reaction. To the tick, man. Let me show it on Discord. Guys, you can go in on Discord. I will show you it. To the tick. Okay, it's not always like this, okay? But you know what I mean. It's... There you go. Okay, before we end the stream, let me show you guys my performance so it's clearly how it's going. I'm just gonna add everything to the TN journal. Let me import. It was good week. I wonder how it went for everyone, because trades, what was it, week 2? What is commission on? It's like 2, something like that. I'm gonna put it as freestyling. Huh. Why is commission 0 on this? I added commission, but it did not put it. Ah, wait, my bad. This is the old. Okay, let me remove it all. Let me import it again. Commission $2. Freestyle trading. Screw it. We can put it like that. Yeah. Bam, bam, bam. Noise. Okay, my bad. For some reason, we have my freestyle trading in here as well. Why do we have that? Okay, I'm gonna share it either way. It doesn't matter. Here you go. Why the hell is this added? Bro, did I export all of my accounts or did I just... Yeah, okay. Here you go. So here are all the trades. At the moment we're up $960. First day we had losing, right? Small losses. For some reason, why are all my trades? I haven't taken 60 trades. This is not... That's not the case. For some reason we have it. Like, why are these added? 50, 40, 34, 63, 18, 18, 19, $8, $7. Ah, okay, doesn't matter. It's fine. These are... Yeah, so we're sitting at something like this now. 960. So it's good. We ended the week good as well. Slowly and surely, huh? Today we won 600. Monday we won... what was it? 300. Then we lost 300 on one day, but then I traded on my own after and made back, but I ended the day negative 50. I think it was 50. Let me see. It's now 60. No, it was this one. Yeah, 1st of July. No, it was last week. Okay, I gotta double check it. But yeah, we're up at least 960. All right, JC, take care, brother. Nice. Today was huge for everyone. Yeah, it looks like everyone got paid today, huh? Double brother, I just watched you. Unfortunately, didn't take same trades, but I've done be back on Monday, Lord. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, it's good. What journal do you use? TN journal. We have built it for the community. Go check the TN Trading Nomad store if you want it. See, this could remove the spam chat. Somebody's spamming. Where, JC? Where is somebody spamming? Remove the spam. Maybe it's... Okay, I'm gonna check it in Discord. I'm still interested in this level because of the value area low weekly profile. Okay. Today was shit controlled by emotions, not respected. Kex, be proud of yourself. You did really good. I don't know how it went for you today. But be proud of yourself. You are 2 weeks into it. It's difficult. I know it's hard. You've seen us do it here. We sit on our hand. Wait, where does this music come from? Oh my god, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Oh shit, I forgot to start up. How does this play? At like, where does it come from, man? Oh shit, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Okay, guys, this live stream will be taken down. Ah, okay, I see, JC. Let me ban it, remove. We cannot get banned. Good stream, thank you for our numbers. But yeah, Kex, be proud, you did good. Will you ever make it so we can pay for just the journal? I like the look of. Yeah, you can pay for the journal only. It's oh, by the way, we're gonna add T and Edge as well. Go to T and journal like this. You go to pricing, you go to individual, and you have everything here, so you can get it. So individual app. It was the first time watching your stream, bro. Big W, really like your content as well. Don't expect a winning day every day here, okay? We most likely, it's like 80% of the time we sit. We don't even take a trade. And when we don't take a trade, we trade on demo. But when we get opportunities like this, yeah, we execute. I got 3 opportunities this week. We won on Monday, lost on Tuesday, and won now. So, yeah. But it's good. Keep tuning in, Alex. Glad to have you here. Under IVB trades. Okay. Pav, how should I go about trailing? I feel like I get stopped out in profit more, and lose a lot of potential profit. Don't think like this, okay? If it was personal money and you are up $80, you will take it, okay? Don't think like this when it comes to trailing stop loss. You take out the money you are given, always. You saw me now trade aggressively. I took out $100, $50. Bam, bam, bam. It became a $150. That's almost a full R. So don't think like that. Wait, was that your... I thought my... Yeah, it was on my end. I'm gonna get copyrighted. This is... It's over, guys. Love this one. Have you taken payout with Lucy? No. Nope. Portugal versus Croatia. Today? Tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Okay. Thanks, bro, but they were so good in today. I'm gonna back. Yeah, it's fine, Cakes. Lock in. You got this. In the end, we're just focused on discipline. I'm gonna bank test the anti-VBC boys. Alright, take care, Ricky. Do you have a new chess account? No, but I gotta fix it. I'm gonna fix it. How can I get it? It doesn't matter. Week 2. Keep grinding it. Wait, I want to get it with... Look at the losses. 81, 61. But I think some of these are freestyle trading. And where the hell do I get max drawdown? Okay, I gotta double check it. Today is 650. We did good. Okay. 2 final day of challenge. We didn't get funded, but we ended like this. Gonna keep grinding it till it's funded, but yeah, that's it. I don't have big trades, but the thing is that the context of the model, but I struggle potentially when solution. How do I catch absorption? If you don't have big trades, I think you can use a footprint. Use footprint. Guys, my fiance is calling me now. So I gotta go. All right, everybody, love your videos. Listen to them. Glad to have you here, Shadow. Will you do another challenge, Pop? I don't know, because yeah, I'm really busy with a lot of stuff. Let's see. We're gonna have the live streaming of maybe on the Chart Fanatics next week. Chart Fanatics live channel next week. Who knows? I gotta decide where my focus is gonna be. Okay, everybody, take care. Good luck, and see you next week. We're not trade. We don't stream tomorrow. I thought your fiance was an NQ. Okay, guys. All right, bye everyone. Take care. Hey do.